How to evaluate an HVAC installation bid. Is the contractor or company reputable? A simple web search can show a local list of HVAC contractors. Reviews. Reading recent reviews is a great way to get an impression and have some basic questions answered. Is the contractor licensed? HVAC technicians should be licensed, knowledgeable and able to meet the legal requirements. Is this company also a repair specialist? A company who can handle your HVAC installation and repair work will be a future asset. Do they provide a maintenance program? Choosing a company licensed and certified for your unit will usually provide the option of a maintenance program. Do they guarantee their work and honor warranties? All installation work should come with a guarantee the job was completed to the specification required. All brand warranties should be accepted and honored as well. Pioneer Plumbing covers all bases. For more information call 604-872-4946.